Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Margot Robbie stars in the new movie Barbie and does classic makeup with a modern twist. Today, I'm going to show you my version of Barbie makeup. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. I started my Barbie makeup with e.l.f.'s Putty Primer and smoothed it all over my skin. Barbie's skin is flawless, so primer fills in pores and smooths. Next, I used Lancome's Tinty Doll foundation. In the movie, Margot Robbie had a natural matte finish. This foundation evens up all my discoloration and dries down to a matte finish. For blush, I used Rare Beauty's blush in Encourage on the apples of my cheeks and then brushed it upward. I skipped highlighter and contour. The modern Barbie makeup is more natural and not so sculpted. For eyes, I started with Lancome's Prime It Boost It so my shadow wouldn't crease and so it would go on truer to its color. Eyeshadow came next. Classic Barbie used pink and blue eyeshadow, but the new Barbie makeup is natural. So I used Too Faced the Natural Nudes palette and started with the color Petal. I smoothed it all over my eyes from lash to brow. For shape and definition, I used the color Warm Rose in my crease. I also wrapped it under my eyes for framing. For sparkle and brightening, I used the color Rose Gold and with my finger smoothed it onto my lids. I then used a black liquid eyeliner by Ari Shine and brushed it from inner corner to outer corner. Once my eyeliner was dry, I attached magnetic lashes to the top. If you'd like more information on how to apply magnetic lashes, click on my video in the notes below. To finish the look, I applied Idole mascara to my bottom lashes. I then applied NARS Creamy Concealer under my eyes to smooth and brighten. For brows, I used IT Cosmetics Brow Pencil in Taupe and brushed my brows up for shape and then filled them in for more color. Lips came next. I lined my lips with Lancome's Lip Pencil in Plum and then used Lancome's matte lipstick in Merci Simone. And here's the final look. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.